What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's M3Craft here, and today guys I'm going to do a quick What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's M3Craft here, and today guys I'm going to do an unboxing and review of a microphone that I got from Fifine. This is the box that was actually very clever from Amazon, because it was Amazon that sent it, because it came from through Amazon, but is from Fifine. And it was kind of not much clever sending me the microphone kind of completely exposed just with the labels on the top. Many times they don't do that, but it looks like this time they have done that. Come on, Amazon, you can do better. So you can't see much the content, but anyway, this is just a box. What you want to see is inside the box. I'm using right now the Blue Yeti that I have been using already for 2.5 years, and after unboxing I'm going to try between this one and that one for you to see the difference. I'm not getting paid for me to do this review. This is going to be based on my opinion only, and I would like to say a big thank you to Fifine for giving me the opportunity to review this product from them. I used some products before, and to be honest, I really enjoy them. I was using just a singing microphone, like a normal microphone that you use for karaoke, for singing if you are in a concert. That is not my case, because this is not a music channel, this is a gaming channel, and this is what you need, a microphone like this one, and for the price, because you can get it for $49.99. That is an amazing price, and I'm sure it's going to be really good. I just have a feeling, because as I said, I tried some other products before and the sound quality is really good. So let's start opening the box. I already cut these, but I still didn't open. I don't know what is inside. Of course I know that it's the microphone, but I mean that what else will be inside. So yeah, usually these, because on my previous one it was as well, they like, yeah, dear sir, madam, and basically thank you for being our valued customer. It's just a warming up, like when you buy some products from Fifine, that even you can use this as a mark book. Oh yeah. So the instructions over here that will be useful. So I'm trying to make it closer, because I think sometimes is the lens try to focus. Okay, yeah, you can just oh, I can see that has a tripod. Well, I can see I already had that has actually a small tripod, but yeah, makes sense, because on the box it shows that tripod. So, and here is the microphone. So this, it's nice. I can see this is definitely metal, it's no plastic. This one here, this side here is plastic, but this that I already have, like just leaving marks with my hands, I don't like that. Here for mute, the mute button, the microphone level, and this is metal. This is definitely metal. So what else is inside the box? I presume that here is the cable and the tripod. So let me just wait, I already destroyed a little bit the box. So inside you will have the cable. So basically this is the USB cable that has a USB-C. I'm just trying to make it closer. Here it is. So basically the USB-C and the normal USB. So basically you can connect any of them. If you have the connection USB-C, you can use it. And here, this is the tripod. I'm trying all the time, but the camera somehow, when it's this small things, doesn't like to focus on what I'm showing. Yeah, like that. Yeah, so this is the tripod and the pop filter that is inside. So this is the pop filter that will be attached just over here, like exactly the same one that, well, similar one that I have on my other microphone. But anyway, let's now try it on. I'm going to install it. Okay guys, so now I installed already the microphone. Well, it's just plugging the microphone and it's ready to go, because this you don't need to install any software. It's not like many years ago that you needed to install a software first before you start using any device on the PC. But nowadays with the Windows, especially Windows 10 or even previous versions, it's much easier. You install, you just connect, and it's ready to use. So it will show straight away on Streamlabs that is what I'm using. At the moment I'm still using the Blue Yeti, so the sound that you are listening is from the Blue Yeti, but you will see it as well on the bottom which one I'm using. And I'm going now to swap for the Fifine. The distance between the microphone, like where is a pop filter, is exactly the same. So the levels I can see that is the same. I still didn't hear it, so I don't know how it sounds, this microphone, but I know that it's definitely working. So let me just swap for the Fifine K683. So now this is the Fifine microphone. As I said, I'm the same distance between this one and that one, so like in a V line, kind of, if I can say like that. And this is how it sounds with the Fifine microphone. I'm going to swap for the Blue Yeti. So now I'm with the Blue Yeti again, and I'm going to swap for the Fifine once again. So this is the Fifine microphone. I have no idea how it sounds, as I said. I'm going now to stop and see how it actually sounds, this microphone, and I will come back giving my opinion between this one and that one. This is not a comparison, it's just for you to see the sound quality that it comes from this microphone that I'm right now speaking. That is the Fifine K683. So let me just check and I will come back again. Okay guys, so now I already tried, I already listened the footage, and to be honest, I'm really impressed. I was now just attaching this to the arm because it's much easier instead of me holding it. I have here the Blue Yeti over here. So the one that you are now listening is from the Fifine K683. And I'm really impressed guys. For a 50 British pound microphone, for the other one that actually cost me, this one I can't precise, but I believe that was 120 British pounds, 120. This one is a $50, a 50 pound microphone. And I'm really impressed. Both of them, the other one was without any filters, this one is without any filters, so you can add some filters to sound even better in terms of, or a little bit higher the voice, like to blend like the noise on the background. But to be honest, I didn't hear practically noise at all when I was listening myself using this microphone, and I'm really impressed. But if you guys would be interested as well for me to show how to add some filters on for the voice to look better, let me know on the comments below, because I will be more than happy to create a video that will show you what usually I use for my videos. But to be honest, I think so that I'm going to start using this one for my next live streams, and that is actually going to happen tomorrow. Not sure the time that this video goes on, it's been already but anyway, if you check my live stream, you will definitely spot on, because this one it's black, the other one is silver, so you will definitely see which microphone I will be using. So yeah guys, so this is basically what I wanted to talk about. I'm just reviewing these. I'm really surprised. You will have the links on the description below that will take you to the Amazon website that you can purchase if you want. And I want to say thank you once again for Fifine, and well done guys, because I can see that quality, in terms of like the quality itself, the microphone is not cheap, doesn't look cheap at all, because this is not plastic, this is metal. So all these, the only thing that is plastic is just here the holder that you attach to the arm, and this part here is plastic as well. But the microphone itself is a really good build quality, that is metal. So yeah guys, that is what I have for today. Let me know what you think on the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. If you still didn't subscribe this channel and you would like, push that red button and push the bell for you to be notified all the time when I upload any video or when I'm going live. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Love you all. Peace.